Hey, welcome everyone to the StockPickProfits market update, daily market update. It is February 11th. We're in about the second week of February. We're almost halfway through the month. It seems like we've been through a whole year, doesn't it? So look, before we get started, let me explain what's going on here, gang. We have a final YouTube page that we're building right now. Okay, so we're going to need everybody to subscribe to that and stuff. But in the meantime, we don't want you to miss any market information. So today and tomorrow, and probably Wednesday, we'll be broadcasting off this page. But I'm going to put a live link in the bottom in the comments, and that's going to be the new page. So all you old members from all you guys that have been following us for how long? AJ, Jeff, all you guys, Kona, you guys take your time, but go subscribe to that page because we're going to go live on it. Once we do, there's no looking back. Okay, gang? I want you guys involved in stuff, and I'm asking you guys to get involved. So we've got the chat ready to roll and all that. I know, Jeff, you're asking about the chat and stuff like that. Worked all this out. What we need to do is do the migration, okay? So we were going to finish building that other YouTube page, but we just couldn't get it done over the weekend with the high winds and the power outages and stuff. So we'll get that done, okay, gang? So look, let's get to the market. Let's talk about what's happening in the stock market, and we'll guide you through that. Don't worry about it, okay? So the Dow ended up down about 53 points. The S&P was up 2 points, and the NASDAQ about 10 points. So really, it was a flat day across the board. The Dow got pretty ugly there right after lunch. It got down as about as 85 points, and it looked like maybe December was rearing its ugly head again, right? But then it kind of got control, and there was some good buying going into the last couple hours there. And then, besides the two plays we've been talking to you about, we didn't open anything new today. We'll stay with the GE play, we'll stay with the Twitter play, and we'll stay with the CLDR play, the Cloudera. We love those. We love those plays, and they're starting to work out. Cloudera had a good day today. It ended up about 11 cents up. But it's building a nice base there around that 1350, 1370 level. So it's probably getting ready for a big jump, and we're getting positioned on it. GE, after that Friday mess, right, took back $10 today and held it real nice and strong. So that's probably consolidating, getting ready for another move there. But Twitter was the one we were happiest with. Now, yes, when you open up a stock the day before earnings and it loses $3, generally you're not happy with it. But the way it's built this base at 30 and the way it keeps winning at 30, you can see this stock's ready to make a huge move. So we're going to stick with that play. So right now, all we're sitting on is the CLDR, the GE, and the Twitter. And we're going to kind of keep it that way. We're going to analyze the market going forward. Now, we got some pretty reasonable potential headwinds coming up. And one of them is the government shutdown on Friday. We'll see how that goes. We're starting to get our first bleak news out of it, right? Democrats are saying there's no deal and all this stuff. We'll see whether there is or not, okay? We're not taking any of these politicians' words for it. I don't care if they're left or right. The other one is, of course, the trade deal. Trade deal's huge, right? And it seems like it's kind of chugging along, but it's really hard to tell from what little murmurings are coming out, just what's going on. But we think they'll make a deal, and we think both sides are motivated and there's a deal in the cards. How soon that works out, we'll see. The other thing, too, of course, is the Federal Reserve, right? And we've got some Fed Reserve people speaking, I believe, tomorrow and the next day. So we'll see what comes out of their lips over the next day or two. So look, it's been an interesting Monday, right? We started off a little green, we got a little red, we kind of just floated sideways. But like we keep telling you, the big thing to watch right now is that VIX. The VIX again tried to push over that 16, get into the $17 range, but it's back under 16 at the close. So it was up about 1.5%, but we know on the VIX that's nothing. That's really flat. It's still continuing that downtrend from December 24th. It's kind of taking a little sideways pattern the last few trading days. But other than that, it looks like it's kind of trickling down towards that 12, 13 range. We'll see. Let's see how it shakes out. So look, gang, again, thank you for joining us on the live show. We'll be back tomorrow after the market with another update. We're still long CLDR, we're still long GE, and we're long on Twitter. So you guys that are playing along, that's where we're playing. We're still bullish on the market. Now we put out the title of today's show is "Never Shorter the Market," and I mean that. And you know, our office guys, Greg and them, will tell you. A lot of times we've seen big services go short in these market situations to just get their face ripped off. Never short a dull market. The market's not really doing much right now. It's kind of just languishing sideways, little up, little down. It looks like it's ready to make a move one way or the other. We'll see how that plays out. But again, that's an old trader saying, never short a dull market. So stand back, analyze your positions, analyze your trades, be very cautious because it could go. Yeah, we know how this news cycle is. It can get very detrimental very quick. So again, for all you regular viewers that have followed us from Facebook and all that, guess what? We're getting all that worked out. We've got a final spot that we're going to be doing YouTube on. I'm going to put the link down in the comments. You guys can go check it out. You can subscribe to it. It's half built right now. We just got the banner up and stuff. We're going to move all the shows from this page over there. It's going to be your one-stop shop, okay? We're also going to start putting the live shows up on Facebook again, but they're not going to be live. They're going to be posted. They're just going to be postings of the show and you can watch it afterwards. Probably it'll be posted anywhere between, I'd say, 30 minutes to an hour after the market. So that's the plans. It's a big week. You're going to even see we're adjusting the trade room. So there's going to be a redesign in the trade room that we couldn't get to because of the power outages stuff. So it's a big week. Besides trading and all this fun with the trade stuff and the markets kind of languishing sideways and stuff, we got some great trades on the board. We're also got some big developments going for it. So you guys join us, okay? It's your show. We're doing it just to be able to send you better information so you can be better traders, better wealth builders, and also too so we can probably prosper from it too. All right. Okay, gang. So let's call it a Monday. It was a great day. It was a great day to get into some charting and look at future plays and stuff like that. The 3 plays we're in did really well today, and we're real happy about it despite the sideways market. So let's get back at it tomorrow. Okay, gang? We'll see you guys. Thank you for joining us.